Fail. Didn't get the thing.
Tried to get the logo.
Fail. This is like one of the prettiest places ever. Thank you very much.
Alright, we are here at Port Orleans French Quarter. Thought we check it out for a bit. So you've got the quick service restaurant, which is just through here, which we'll have a look in a bit later. Should we have a look in the shop? But the check-in desk was just there where we went through. And yeah,
So quaint.
so nice and beautiful, and it's very cool here.
Love this place.
And it's so quiet. This is nice. Everything you need. And boxer shorts. Thanks very much. I do need some. T-shirt. Short. I do need some.
Pretty.
That's a nice top.
Like that.
Nice slippers for Mickey's. The bags and iPad. And
iPad?
yeah. So far people are liking our dinosaur.
Yeah.
One guy just went, "That's awesome."
I love this.
So look. That's a nice jumper.
It's a really light jumper as well.
It's a thin jumper.
And it comes with some really
Bottoms.
light joggers.
Comes with bottoms. It's a nice music and nice theming and very relaxed around here. One day we will stay here. That's like on the same list as where Animal Kingdom will be staying in.
But we're probably more likely to stay here than we
Than
are.
Animal Kingdom. You never know though. You never know what might happen. There's a Princess of Frog trivia. And then you go to the outside bit, and then you've got more seating for quick service outside. Got a map of the Port Orleans French Quarter and Riverside area, which is pretty cool. And then you've got the swimming pool beyond these gates with some Mardi Gras New Orleans characters. Gator is playing the drums and stuff, which we'll show you in a second. We'll go further down that way in a sec. But it's really, really nice. Really, really nice and quaint and beautiful.
And we normally have some horse-drawn carriages as well.
Oh, do they?
Coming up and down, yeah.
Oh, that's
That
cool.
you can jump on and
Go across.
go across, and
Oh, that's
they'll take you like around the resort or the, you know, I think Riverside as well. They've got one,
Oh, that's cool.
and it's so cute.
So cute. Here's the map. See, French Quarter is smaller
Yeah.
than Riverside. Riverside you have to get different spots. So there's North Depot, West, East. But here is just only one stop, which is the station just there. That's pretty cool. So we're going to go check the food service first, actually, before we check the pool. Changed our
And
mind.
it's a quick freak.
Cool. There's loads of clowns and big faces and stuff. It's very Christmassy. Very festive to me. Yeah, I know it's Mardi Gras, but it's very festive though. It's very small quick service.
That's what I mean.
It's a very, very small quick service. Big jester there, sauces and condiments. They're different.
Yeah, they're the brand new designs.
Are they new design cups?
Yeah.
They're nice. And you- fried shrimp. The Bernie, ooh. How much are they? Do you want to try some?
Try some.
Should we get the 6? Let's get the 6. I agree, Steph. It's a good choice. So we just ordered some Bernays. Called Bernays? I think so. We got some water and Steph got an iced tea.
Oh my god, no way.
Look at these bad boys. Just like donuts in powdered sugar. Don't worry, dinosaur. It's okay. Oh, they're quite hot.
Yeah, they look hot.
They look hot, hot, hot. Should I try the first one?
Has your mother ever told you not to play with your food?
Nice. Just a donut. It's good.
Yummy, yummy. In your tummy. You can't have any, you're a dinosaur. Stop looking at me like that.
Oh, bro.
David,
What?
I cannot take you anywhere.
It's the powdered sugar.
It's all in there.
I know, it's like creviced.
Can't take you anywhere.
Can't take you anywhere. Don't give me that look, dinosaur.
Compared to your side, look the state of you. I know.
Do you know what I mean, dinosaur? Don't give me that look. It's death the look.
Remember what we agreed on? Yeah? Stop looking at me like that.
Okay, so Bernese are finished with. Table's dirty because Steph made a mess.
I did not make a mess.
You did. And we're just checking out some of the rooms.
Don't bring the dinosaur into it, okay? Don't bring the dinosaur into it.
It's okay, dinosaur. It's okay. But we're just checking like the feel of this place. It's very pretty. Yeah, it's really, really nice around here. You can smell the fire is burning. Ooh, can we get a marshmallow? Come here, 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 come here. I'm gonna roast some marshmallow.
Yeah. Never actually roasted a marshmallow on a campfire.
Oh, now the smoke's on us now. Smoke don't like me. Keep spinning it. Keep spinning. That's well cooked. Mine's a bit too cooked. This is my kind of colour. And this is Steph's well coloured one. Mine caught on fire a bit.
Amazing.
Slow, no wake. Thank you. You're welcome.
So it's kind of nice the way that, like, even though you could get like a river view, which is one of these,
Yeah.
or you can get a courtyard view and stuff, and that's basically like the courtyard views and the garden views that you get. Amazing.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's awesome. There's people on the riverboat going forth. There's a big pool. Looks like they're doing some refurb behind the red umbrella. So there's the slide. Towels. It's always good. Bridge that goes up there. More pool seating areas. A nice little Port Orleans plaque. Got a bar. And then you got these mascots that we saw at the beginning. That's kind of like the whole tour of Port Orleans French Quarter.
I'm kind of glad that we went at this time because when it goes all dusky, that's when it's really, really pretty.
Yes. It's very true. Very, very pretty. Watch out for the gators. You got the kids play area there. There's the adults or a hot tub, not adults only, but gators. And then we start back at the resort at the front, which is nice. All the horses of Mardi Gras. Yeah, it's a really, really nice area. We've also got, these are the poolside parties. And then these are the movies under the stars at 7 PM. What's the day today? Thursday it is Inside Out, Lava, Big Hero 6 on Friday, Frozen on Saturday, I presume it changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, every week. So that's Port Orleans French Quarter. It's nice. Good place. So this is the check-in and registration bit. You got a seating area, you got the kids seating area with movies or TV shows. That's why you're checking in. Cute chairs. It's nice. Very pretty. And there's a shop again where we were at before we first started. And then there's also a pub, a bar here as well. Like right next to the quick service. And they do like little treats as well, and yeah. That's Port Orleans French Quarter. Here's the bus, Steph. Time to get on the bus. There's even more funny stuff. We're here at the Magic Kingdom now.
Yeah.
And can you see the Christmas tree bobbing itself up?
I can see the Christmas
tree. Everything's changed. It was fall when we were here. Now it's all Christmas stuff. Right, you taking the camera?
I'll take the camera.
And I'm gonna get us and Dino.
Bye, dinosaur. See you later. Oh, you took him out. You had to take him out.
Thank you very much.
You had to take him out.
I'll have to take him out.
Are you alright with that dinosaur?
Whoa.
Steady.
He's looking at the lights. Like,
oh, he looks at the pretty lights. Look. Oh, pretty lights. It's all Christmassy. I know. everybody on the thing.
There's Steph recording. Say hello on the vlog.
We're all on the vlog.
Hello. Hi.
Love you.
I'm always watching, Steffi. Always watching.
They possess a gift or two. One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Thank you. Thank you.
He looks like he's having a good time.
He is.
Yes, it's his first adventure.
Oh, this is very uncomfortable.
Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Aluga, Saruga, the winds of the Caspian Sea. What brings us glossitis and next laryngitis, not voce to me.
Hey, Stephen, sitting there across the way. She got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And we don't know why she died. Trying wanna kiss the girl.
My favorite
He's all smiling because he's about to go on the Dumbo ride, which is best done at night. Just get to see all the magical colours.
Let's see if we can jump on the runaway mine train.
Yeah, you can do.
See if we can jump on it. Got 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Plenty of time.
Oh, we just managed to get a fast pass randomly for this.
Extremely happy.
For like 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock at night and somehow we've been granted to go into fast pass. It's like, yes, get in. He's got to stay in the backpack now.
Buddy, that's really cool, man. Getting prepared for the dunk in the movie, right? Yeah.
Oh my god, our look has completely changed. All the way down. 0, 1.
See the creepy lady. Hello, creepy lady. Creepy lady. Oh, sorry. Creepy lady, smile.
That was fun. Woo!
Arlo enjoyed it as well.
Arlo really enjoyed it.
He wants to go on it again, but I said it's too late. We'll go on it again though. No?
Yeah, we will. Good old Arlo. That was such a fun day. Everything's all closed. The princesses are going to bed. So.
Look at dinosaur. What's someone other than music excited for that movie?
Pretty.
Not like the fish on the way there.
Oh, have you had a tiring night? You are sleepy.
I got a pack.
Yeah.